In today's makeup tutorial, we will create the blush draping look. Let me show you how. Skin Perfecting Primer has a silicone-free base formula. It is for all skin types and it's easy to apply with your fingers or the foundation brush. The Essential Foundation keeps the skin feeling clean while offering moisture and silky coverage that is buildable and feels weightless. Lightly dab product to the under eye area and blend gently with fingers or the concealer brush. It has incredible staying power, does not crease with wear, and it is water resistant. The Silky setting powder can help set makeup but also take down shine to a beautiful satin finish. Consciously formulated using low heavy metal, these deeply pigmented shadows are really easy to blend. Deeper eyeshadow colors can be used dry or wet, so they can double as eyeliners using the angle brush. Add some on the bottom of the eye to add definition using the same angle brush, and blend it using the eyeshadow brush for a smooth effect. The vegan mascara is easily buildable, so apply a coat, let it dry, and repeat it 2 to 3 times. And don't forget the outer corners of your eyes and the very tips of your lashes. Curve your brush to the apples of your cheeks and add a bit more product for definition. The idea is to take a left look and add more into the temples around the hairline and the eyes. For a dimensional effect, add the secondary blush in a lighter shade. Speak Volume lip glosses are deeply pigmented, not too sticky, and have a light taste of lemongrass and peppermint. We are looking forward to seeing how it turns out for you.